Your body is like a city where everything runs smoothly until, a fire breaks out. But don't worry, every great city has an amazing team of firefighters ready to jump into action. Your body has its own emergency team that rushes to the rescue whenever you get hurt. Let's see how they work together to save the day. When you fall and scrape your knee, it's like a tiny fire starting. Your body's firefighters are already gearing up to put it out, rebuild, and protect you. Let's jump in and see them in action. Every fire department has a loud siren that alerts everyone that there's an emergency. In your body, the siren is pain. When you scrape your knee, these tiny pain detector wires in your skin send out distress signals to the brain really fast, saying, "Help!" This is why wounds hurt. It's your body's way of making sure you don't ignore the injury. Next, just like firefighters control water pressure to manage a fire, your body controls blood flow to the injury site. First, it tightens blood vessels in the area, like turning off some fire hydrants to avoid flooding. This process slows down bleeding so you don't lose too much blood. Meanwhile, the redness you see around your wound, that happens because your body is sending extra reinforcements. Some blood vessels widen again, allowing special emergency workers, that are cells that fight infection and start repairing, to arrive quickly. Now it's time to put out the flames before they spread too far. In your body, this job is done by tiny heroes called platelets. When they reach the wound, they stick together like brave firefighters, lining up to stop the fire from getting worse. These platelets work fast, but they need extra help. That's where fibrin comes in. Fibrin is like a firefighter spraying sticky foam over the fire. It makes a strong, stretchy net over the wound to keep everything safe and in place. Now the bleeding has stopped. Your body has successfully put out the first flames and made sure things won't get worse. But there's still work to do. Even though the fire is under control, firefighters still have to search for hidden danger, like a spark of fire that could start again. In your body, the biggest threat after an injury is infections. Germs are like those sneaky sparks of fire trying to take advantage of the situation and spread chaos. Your white blood cells are the heroes here. They rush in and gobble up bacteria just like firefighters soak leftover small bits of fire with water to make sure the fire is completely out. Some white blood cells act like detectives, calling for help if more bad germs show up. Others spray out germ-destroying chemicals, like a special disinfectant, to keep the wound safe. But your body can't do all the work alone. You can help by keeping your wound clean, drinking plenty of water, and eating healthy foods. This gives your firefighter team the best chance to finish the job safely. Now that the fire is out and the danger is gone, it's time to rebuild. Your body starts growing new skin, but first, it needs protection. That's where scabs come in. Think of a scab like a roof that keeps a building safe while it's being fixed. It keeps everything safe while the workers, your skin cells, hurry to rebuild what was lost. Sometimes scabs get itchy. That's just a sign that the rebuilding process is working. Slowly, your body lays down fresh layers of skin, like new bricks being placed to repair a house. This takes time, but soon your wound will be as good as new. Thanks for watching. For more videos like this, check out the McMaster Demystifying Medicine YouTube channel. See you later!